Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Epic Games Launcher install failed. Please try again error. First, go to the official Epic Games website and download the latest version of the launcher installer. Save the file to your downloads folder so you can easily find it. Now instead of double-clicking the file, we will start it in a different way. Click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Task Manager. Open Task Manager from the results. At the top of the Task Manager window, click on Run New Task. A small window will appear. Click on the Browse button. Go to the folder where your Epic Games Launcher setup file is saved. If you do not see the installer file, look at the bottom right corner of the Browse window. Change the file type from Programs to All Files. This will allow you to see the setup file. Select it and click Open. Before starting it, make sure to check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges. Then click OK. The installer should now start with full permissions. It will continue the installation process without showing the same error. Thanks for watching.